Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with a real quick functionality proof video for a board that was sent to us and has been worked on before. Those are unique markings on the board so that the customer knows, customer has been advised that if we're successful in repair, we will be taking no responsibility, no warranty for how long it will continue working. Those boards are old, they are warping, and it is virtually guaranteed that the same or similar issue will happen down the line again, subject of several different things: how it's mounted, how hot it gets, how cool and what circulation of the air around. It will happen. This is a BGA problem, result from the warping of the board, as I have explained in many other videos. That is all. The board is working fine. I don't know if you can hear the sound. I purposefully don't let it high because Google is cutting, sending us warnings. That's all. Thank you.